Oh, holy shit. Did not see those moguls. This is why you do a lap first, guys, before you jump anything. That could have been really bad.
Good morning, everybody. Good morning. So last week after skiing at A Basin for pretty much my first laps of the season, I got a couple comments to see if I would go up to Copper this week, and honestly I cannot fight on that one at all because I love Copper so much. If you guys watch the channel, you guys absolutely know that Copper is my favorite resort out here in Colorado and pretty much anywhere for that matter. Not gonna be able to get any opening day laps for you guys, but opening week laps are still good enough. So pumped to go back up to Copper. It's been so long, feels like, since I've been up there. Top off our gas and make our way up the mountains. You guys, just pulled up to the parking lot here at Copper. Since it's later in the week and not quite the weekend, the parking lot really isn't too bad right now. Maybe like a quarter of the lot is full. Just looked at the trail maps and there are 2 lifts open right now, one from Center Village and then Accelerators. But the good thing about today is there are actually 4 blue runs off of those 2 lifts open today. So gonna be a fast, long ski run kind of day. That's actually what I'm kind of looking forward to here. Being back at Copper is just the longer runs. I'm gonna grab my stuff for you guys right now, throw on some gear, and let's get up to the mountain.
All right, gang. Just got off our first lift up here at Copper. Didn't take Accelerator up all the way to the top yet just because I wanted to get a nice warm-up lap in. But man, get all those views. Man, I miss this place. The thing I'm so pumped about being a Copper, like I already told you guys, is, you know, the difference of being up at like places like A Basin early season or, you know, Eldora, your smaller resorts. Copper's got some long runs, everybody. There's a reason why the U.S. ski team comes up here to train. Actually, this morning, just looking from the parking lot, it looked like the Super B side, or like the East Village side, will probably open soon for at least ski racers, because the coverage looked, you know, good for making snow early this year. Whew. Just a fun groomer to rip, you guys. It's a great way to warm up. You know, maybe leave those moguls for late season Corey. Good thing they take a while to build. crazy amounts of people here today for opening week, but just nice to actually not come here on opening day. Love to come on opening days whenever I can, but honestly I don't come to a lot of them just because there's so many people. So I actually try to come up maybe just like today, like maybe the late week after opening week or opening day. Oh my gosh, here's some little fluff down here. This ain't bad. Like the lower you get, the warmer it gets, and when you can drop that much elevation, the snow looks really different down below. That's our first lap. Copper, baby. New season. Let's go. Trying to get better. Stay tight, skis together, knees together, feet forward, hips forward. I still suck. All right, gang, so for the majority of the morning, I've been ripping runs down from the accelerator lift all the way down to basically Center Village. And I wanted to stop for you guys at one place in particular and just take a rest stop real quick and check out this new building that they actually built over the summer. And it's been actually taking several years, and it actually replaced another lodge that's sitting right behind me. They've actually taken out the whole lodge that used to be up here, and now it's just one other building. There used to be a building right there. It's a huge new mountain hut with a bunch of restaurants inside called Ari, I'm not too sure. Let's go check it out. All right, you guys, this is a pretty sweet mountain hut retreat up here. Like, it's so modern, especially the upstairs up here. There's a bar at the top with like a really nice dining area that I don't think you'd want to come up to if you were in your ski gear. I think it's more for just like opera and kind of when you're all dressed up. Oh dang, I think that's the place where non-ski bums go. So pretty up here. I'm just gonna take in some views for a second, maybe go back out and do a couple more runs for you guys, but either way, just having an absolute awesome day up here at Copper. Walking downstairs in ski boots really sucks.
Oh, you have your way, and it's making me weaken. You and your stardust, walking like that. It's really getting too much, but I can't pull back. Though I try to resist, I can't fight this.
Oh, holy shit. Did not see those moguls. This is why you do a lap first, guys, before you jump anything. That could have been really bad.
And no one makes me feel like you do. And no one sets my body on fire. And no one gives me shivers like you. Oh, no one does it better. Oh, I gotta stay away, but you won't let me.
right, guys, just got back to the car. Had an absolutely amazing day up here at Copper. For what was available on those 4 runs and 2 lifts up here on the center village side of the mountain was actually really nice. I mean, there wasn't like a ton of snow, but there were definitely little pockets of, you know, like man-made snow that have been, you know, kind of churning out for the last week. Conditions overall, I know it's only the 2nd day out this year, but it was definitely better than Arapahoe Basin last week for me. There's just so much more coverage everywhere, and like, it's so nice that you can actually go all the way almost to the top of the mountain and do a bunch of runs from there. In the last video when I was skiing at A Basin, I don't know if you guys watched or not, but in that video, I was just hurting. And for the first like 5 or 6 runs, it felt like my feet were just being compressed so hard. A few minutes ago, I actually took off my socks because my boots were just so freaking tight. I was just going through pain all morning. So took some of your guys' advice, actually got some new socks. These ones that I'm wearing right now are like a very light cushion in only certain areas. Brand is called Abbott's & Sons. These things held up really well. No blisters, no rubbing or anything like that. So great sock. All right, you guys, I think that's gonna wrap it up for me today. Just wanna thank you all so much again for watching, tuning in, and just enjoying the videos I'm putting out there for you guys. We'll see where we ski the next few weeks. If you guys wanna give me some comments down below and ask me to do some of your favorites in the area or anywhere on the Icon Pass for that matter, just put a comment down below. But again, I just want to thank you guys so much again for watching. We'll see you oot in a boot. We'll see you guys in the next one.